Wow, what do we have here? That looks like a new pendant to me. Yeah, definitely. Hey, Skylar here from Sojourn Fine Jewelry. So the other day I was hiking through the HOH Rainforest in Olympic National Park when I came across some elk droppings. And you know, the first thing I thought was, wouldn't this be the most amazing pendant? I'm sure you guys would have thought the exact same thing. So I brought some back, and what we're gonna be doing is casting it in solid 14 karat gold. And you can't just have a 14 karat gold dropping. What you also have to have is a custom handmade 14 karat gold chain to go with it. So we'll make that too. Let's turn some droppings into some drip. What? I'm like 40, so I can't say that word? Really? All right. And now, while we're waiting for that to come out of the oven, we need to start thinking about making a chain for it. That's going to require a short chain making montage. guys, I hope you really liked the results. I sure did. This was a lot of fun getting to make a piece of fine jewelry out of an elk dropping. I think it's just extremely unique. You'll definitely be the only one on the trail with a pendant like that. Check out my website, sojournfinejewelry.com, for all the jewelry that I make. You'll also see a lot of my other coin rings and stuff that I do on my other channel there as well. All right guys, I'll catch you on the next adventure.